main course, we're going to be making pasta. We need 4 cup water that we already put for boiling, and then 1.5 cup penne pasta, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon oil. Next, we're gonna take the 1.5 cup penne pasta and put it inside for boiling. Dropped a little, and then over we're gonna put our salt, and then 1.5 teaspoon oil. Now we will boil it until the pasta becomes soft. To make sure the pasta does not stick, we have to stir the pasta every few minutes. Now while it's boiling, I added up all the ingredients. We have 1/4 teaspoon basil leaves, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup classico pasta sauce, and then both of these are 1 tablespoon. This is basil pesto and Parmesan cheese. It's all done boiling. We have to strain all this water in the strainer over at the sink. And then we're going to put 1 cup pasta sauce into it. That's the good stuff. And then we're going to put our basil leaf and black pepper into this. And stir. So the sauce has heated up. We're going to put 1 tablespoon basil pesto and stir. Now the basil pesto has melted. We're going to put the pasta in. Yep, that's the good stuff. Now we're gonna stir it properly. So there's pasta sauce all around the pasta. I added Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon, and now mix it. Now the pasta is ready. We're gonna taste it.
Let's try. Super, Rishaan. Good job.
Hi, this is the best thing ever.
Yeah, good job.